We have a Mazda here today. The lights were very, very bad. Very bad, you could see it. Typical sunburn tops, wear and tear on the front face, full yellow, and you'll see the driver's side is the same. Burnt tops, yellow haze, some white haze, especially on the sides. But have no fear, when we're done with it, it's going to look like brand new. Broward Headlight Restoration. Look at this. Like new. Broward Headlight Restoration. We're fully mobile. We come to your home, office, work. 754-302-0769. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Text us your pictures. Call us 754-302-0769. Thank you.